Hello, YouTuber woobers! So we're getting pelted with a northeaster up here in New England. Um, Actually, it looked a lot worse hours earlier, but we're getting a lot of rain. So the 122 watts is what I'm getting off my roof um, wind turbine. It pretty much only blows this time of year when the leaves are all gone. That's the time when um, the wind kind of gets to it. I have it attached to a plug-in grid tie um, inverter, and yeah. So when it's at idle, when the thing's not doing anything, it's about 3 to 6 watts. Um, but this is a better alternative because if I hook this up to my battery bank, it would have to divert anything off of the batteries when I'm not using them. So it's not a useful application since I'm not running off the batteries all the time. It's only really there when I have a grid failure at the moment until I get a solar panel array up. So the VOT over on the right corner is turning every so often, and I actually have the brake on that one because I don't have it attached to a grid tie or the battery. So the brake is on, so it's actually overcoming the shorting out of all the elements on the PMG. So at some point I'm going to take that off and just let it free spin. I get a lot of comments from neighbors or drive-buyers that see that and doesn't turn. Not that I really care, but I think it looks better as a lawn ornament, as a piece of artsy-fartsy type of thing at this point. So at some point I'll take the PMG off of that, keep it as a spare. But I just thought I'd share this. I went off and picked up more bio blocks, and when it stops raining, we'll hustle them into the house. And then at the very end of the video, there's a shot of one of my cats working hard, as usual, defending life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Ta-ta! Stay dry.